Now, amid scorching heat, the pain is getting worse for Delhiites who are now struggling to access the most basic necessity, water. Many parts of the capital have been complaining of water shortage over the past few days. In fact, people are jostling and fighting just to get one drop of water. That's how desperate the situation is. And as complaints grow, Delhi's water minister, Atishi, had held an emergency meeting. This was held yesterday. After announcing 2,000 rupee fine on the misuse of water, wastage of water, several other measures have also been taken. Water tanker war room has been set up and a water helpline number has been formed, which will ensure the delivery of water tankers to those in need.
इमरजेंसी मेजर्स कई दिल्ली सरकार द्वारा लिए जा रहे हैं। सबसे पहली बात, क्योंकि जब पानी की सप्लाई में कमी है तो पानी की सप्लाई की कमी के इलाकों में वाटर टैंकर्स भेजे जाते हैं। हम एक सेंट्रल वाटर टैंकर का वॉर रूम दिल्ली जल बोर्ड में सेटअप कर रहे हैं। जो भी दिल्ली वासी हैं जो चाहते हैं कि उनको वाटर टैंकर चाहिए, वो 1916 पर कॉल करें। 5 तारीख से दिल्ली के हर वाटर जोन में, दिल्ली में 11 वाटर जोन्स हैं, वाटर डिपार्टमेंट के जोन्स पर एक एडीएम लेवल ऑफिसर और एक एसडीएम लेवल ऑफिसर स्टेशन किया जाएगा। वो क्विक रिस्पांस टीम्स बनाएंगे।
Now, two such areas which are reeling under water shortage are Chanakipuri and Vasant Vihar, considered to be very well-off areas. Public individuals can even be seen standing with earthen pots in line, even as the sun beats down on them. But we're first going to be crossing over to my colleague Nikhil to get us more on what the situation is. In fact, he's actually joining us from a particular area. He's joining us from the Vivek Anand camp, which is located in Chanakipuri, Delhi. And in fact, that's one of the affected areas when it comes to the water crisis. Nikhil, good morning. You've actually been reporting on not just the water crisis in the capital, but also the heat wave. So do stay safe while you continue to get us updates from the ground. But since you're at the camp in Chanakipuri, tell us more about what the situation is like there. Have you been able to speak to any residents there who have been affected by the water crisis?
So Aisha, let's first begin with the visuals in the very first place. As you have rightly mentioned, we are currently reporting from the Vivekanand camp, and this falls in the Chanakyapuri area, which is one of the posh locality in the South Delhi constituency. So let's begin with the visuals in the very first place. You can see the cans, water cans are placed here, and this is because they are waiting for the tankers to arrive here, and we have seen the visuals as to what the situation becomes like when the water tank actually arrives. I urge my camera थोड़ा आगे भी जाइए, आगे भी दिखाइए. All you can see at the footpath is that there are multiple cans which are huge in number, and all of these cans have been placed here for the drinking water. And we have spoken to the locals as well. They are saying that there is no as such major problem as far as the water is concerned and the supply for the same is concerned in this locality. But the situation you can see in the picture that they are forced to get the water from the tanker only, and these are the cans which have been placed. So once the tanker arrives here from the Delhi government, then they are forced to fill the water in these small cans, and then thereby they take it to their residential places. Let's take a quick view from some of the locals. आप बताइए, आप यहाँ के रहवासी हैं. पहले तो मैं ये समझना चाहूँगा कि यहाँ टैंकर क्यों आते हैं? यहाँ क्या पाइपलाइन नहीं आ सकती या प्रॉब्लम क्यों है? क्यों टैंकर ही आता है?
और पाइप तो लाइन तो बिछी हुई है और सप्लाई चालू भी होने वाली है. मतलब देखो कब सप्लाई होती है, बोर्ड भी हो गई है, सब कुछ हो गया है. बाकी अब उसमें टाइम है, अब देखो कब सप्लाई चालू होने वाली है. कुछ टाइम जा रही है बस.
अच्छा, अभी टैंकर कितने समय आते हैं?
टैंकर आएगा 11:30 के लगभग.
दिन में कितनी बार आता है?
3 बार आता है, सुबह भी आता है, दोपहर में भी और शाम को.
और यहाँ पानी क्या पर्याप्त है आपके लिए? मतलब प्रॉपर आता है सप्लाई?
बराबर आ रहा है.
अच्छा, एक चीज मुझे बताइए, टैंकर हमने कल भी आते हुए देखा कि एकदम से लोगों की भीड़ लग जाती है.
So that's my colleague Nikhil there. He is joining us from Chanakyapuri, and he's actually specifically at a camp in Vivekanand, and he is getting us voices from the ground. Now, what's interesting to note here is that he's just gotten us some information about what the situation is there from a resident of the Vivekanand camp. Now, what the resident has to say about tankers is that they come at around 11:30, but it does come at 3 different points during the day. So that supply of water is there. But to continue that conversation, we'll cross back over to my colleague Nikhil for more. Nikhil, back over to you.
We are going to continue with the conversation we are having with the locals. आप एक बार बताइए, जो हम बात कर रहे थे आपसे कि टैंकर यहाँ पे आते हैं, आप कह रहे हैं अगर प्रॉपर सप्लाई आती तो फिर इतनी भीड़ क्यों लग जाती टैंकर आती?
वही तो सप्लाई नहीं आ रही सर, पूरी सप्लाई की वजह से तो ये लाइन बिछी पड़ी है, देखो सारी लाइन बिछी पड़ी है, पूरा घर घर टोटी लगी पड़ी है।
नहीं, आप कह रहे हैं पानी की सप्लाई पाइप से नहीं आती, लेकिन जो टैंकर आप कह रहे हो पर्याप्त पानी आ जाता है। अगर पर्याप्त आता है तो फिर लोगों को भागा दौड़ी करने की, धक्का मुक्की की क्या जरूरत?
हाँ, स्थायी पानी नहीं आ रहा, जो सप्लाई का आना चाहिए वो सप्लाई का पानी नहीं आ रहा बस।
अच्छा, ठीक है भाई साहब, आप भी यहाँ के रहवासी हैं, आप एक बात बताइए, छोटे बच्चे भी बेचारे वो भी मजबूरी में पूरा ढो करके पानी ले जाते थे, कब तक ये चलता रहेगा? साल 2024 में भी अगर ये हाल है तो किस तरफ हम बढ़ रहे हैं दिल्ली में?
इसके बाद में सब बोलता हूँ।
बताइए, आप एक बार बताइए सवाल ये है, क्योंकि आप यहाँ के रहवासी हैं, 2024 में भी अगर हम टैंकर से ही पानी भरते रहेंगे तो किस तरफ जाएंगे?
आगे हमको परेशानी बढ़ेगी बस। हाँ, अगर नहीं चलता रहेगा
अब बताओ, मतदान भी करते हैं, सब कुछ भी इतने सालों से रह भी रहे हो, व्यवस्था फिर भी नहीं हो पा रही। बताओ, सरकार कहती है हम वो कह रहे हैं, हम ये करते हैं, वो कह रहे हैं हम ये करते हैं, कोई कुछ भी नहीं करता।
ठीक है, आखिरी सवाल मैं आपसे बस ले रहा हूँ, एक बार बताइए टैंकर कितनी दफा आते हैं और कितने कितने बजे आते हैं यहाँ पे?
सुबह 6:30 से 7 के बीच में, पहले सुबह आता है, फिर दूसरा आता है 10 और 11 के बीच में, फिर एक शाम को आता है 4 और 5 के बीच में।
Okay, so this is the situation like Aisha from the Vivekanand camp area. You can see on both the sides of the road there is placement of the water cans, and all we can see outside the houses is the placement of the cans. These are the multiple cans which have been placed here. These are the drinking water and also for the domestic usage as well. So this is the condition that we are currently reporting from the Chanakyapuri area, which is one of the posh area as far as the water scarcity is concerned. There are a couple of areas in the capital city, and let's take a फाइनल व्यू फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द रेसिडेंट। आप एक बार बताइए, एक सेकंड आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, फोन रखिए। जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं कैंस यहाँ पे रखे हुए हैं, तो परेशानी होती है क्योंकि बच्चों को भी उठाना पड़ता है?
हाँ, परेशानी होती है, बच्चों को उठाना पड़ता है, बुजुर्ग को भी उठाना पड़ता है, हम लोग को उठाना पड़ता है, लेडीज को भी उठाना पड़ता है।
कुछ इलाकों में पानी की समस्या है, आपके यहाँ क्या पोजीशन है, क्या स्टेटस है?
हमारे यहाँ भी सर है परेशानी, तो गर्मियों में तो होती है, 2-3 महीना तो बहुत परेशानी होती है।
Okay, so for 2 to 3 months, which are usually the peak time of the summers, that time water scarcity is at its most at the highest, is what we can say. But as far as the water scarcity is concerned, this is something that we have been reporting for 3 to 4 days now. There are a couple of areas in the capital city which are usually facing the water shortage. There is official statement as well. A press conference was held from the side of Water Minister Atishi and Health Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj as well, where they have said that a couple of measures have been taken to refrain from the scarcity of the water, but the major problem is arising out of the state of Haryana, which is BJP ruled state, where the water supply, which is meant for the capital city, it is being reduced to exponential level. So this is something which is currently going on. So we need to see as to when exactly the situation is going to become better for all these people who usually stay at their places where the supply of water is not through the pipe.
All right, Nikhil, thank you so much for joining us from the ground there and getting us those voices about what the situation is like in the capital. Once again, we want to put emphasis on the location that Nikhil was at. That was at Vivekanand camp, and that's located in Chanakyapuri, which is part of Lutyens, Delhi. Now, we're going to be shifting focus. We'll continue to track the developments and head back over to my colleague Nikhil there for more updates throughout the day. But right now, we're going to be shifting focus to another very important story, where fugitive